Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a password manager like 1Password with Chrome Sync. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Ensure you have the most recent version of Chrome installed. Visit the official 1Password website. Download and install the 1Password app if you haven't done so already. Create a 1Password account if you don't have one. Open the 1Password application. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Preferences section of 1Password. Look for the option labeled Browser, Extensions, or Integrations. Select the option to install the 1Password extension for Chrome. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. After installation, you will see the 1Password icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the 1Password icon to open it. Log in to your 1Password account within the browser extension. You may need to enter your master password. Once logged in, 1Password will prompt you to enable Chrome Sync. Follow the instructions provided by 1Password to enable syncing with Chrome. After enabling sync, 1Password will automatically fill in passwords on websites when prompted. To test the sync, navigate to a website that requires a login. Click on the username or password field. You should see the 1Password icon pop up. Click the icon to view your saved login details. Select the appropriate login to autofill your information. Confirm that the login details are entered correctly. You're now set up to use 1Password seamlessly with Chrome Sync. This will help keep your passwords secure and easily accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.